this is Tech Boy 101. Today we're going to be seeing how to add audio to your movie. So right now I've got this piece, which is a line writer. I have featured it in another video. And it's muted currently because I want to put some audio in. I could, in turn, import an MP3. So I've imported one right here, same way as you import an MP4. And you just need to drag it down, but you need to drag it below into this music column. And this piece is called If I Had a Chicken by Kevin MacLeod in the YouTube audio library. So you can check out the piece as well. It will be linked in the description. So I've got this and it sounds pretty good for now. Let's just hear it. So that's it. And I kind of don't like that way it abruptly ends. So I could get my cursor, instead of getting it down here, I'll bring it up to this dot and it'll change the size. It'll be like two arrows facing in different directions instead of two arrows with a line in the middle. So you can change that, drag it up to make it fade away, and I like that because I don't want to abruptly end it, or I don't want to continue the bar for a reason, so I'll just fade it out like this. Yeah, like that. But for however reason, if you don't have music or you don't want to use some MP3 or you can't choose, then there is another option that iMovie itself provides, the audio tab. You can get some things from iTunes if you have them, but if you don't, there's this huge library of songs that you can choose. And you can change them based on their time, their genre. I like it from shortest to longest, just like that. So, and I don't really care about the genre. So right now, I've got this 40 seconds piece of a clip. So I can scroll up, and if it's in order, I can find a nice 40-second clip. There are lots of jingles. Jingles is something like a background music, something like texture, maybe ambience maybe, but jingles is the fun stuff, all of the like jingly stuff basically. So let's go and find something that we like. That sounds nice. That sounds quite nice. And I said there are so many just for 40 seconds. Nah, that's not. That sounds like airplane music. This one sounds like airplane music, and I don't like airplane music, so no. No. I think the first one we did was nice. It sounds like a good one for a line writer. So now, let's hear it, because now we've got it time coded. We do not need the fade out. So it should be better, so let's check it out. Wow, it sounds nice. Yes, I definitely chose the right music. Oh, yeah. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like on this video, and if you learned something, please subscribe to my channel. hit that notification button to be notified of any of my new uploads. Thank you so much for watching.